Hey guys, it is 10/10, December 30th, 2008, Tuesday, I think. Yeah. So, one thing we're gonna do today, we're gonna play. Two things, and I'm gonna show you stuff. And three, I'm gonna read you a book. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! So as you know, it's me, Eva, and Sarah. So first we're gonna play. I'm gonna show you some hand things. This is bat. This is dog.
I thought that was butterfly.
This is dog. Dog. And this is rabbit. Where you go like this, and then you put your thumb up. Yeah, that's rabbit. It looks different on shadows. Okay. So 2, what was 2? I'm gonna show you something. Okay. If you order American Girl doll, it comes with this thing, and it has a mini magazine, and it has this cool stuff, like there has pencil creation. Oh my gosh, I put it on wrong. You put it on wrong. Oh wait, I got it. No, I didn't finish it yet, Sarah. No, Sarah.
I'm not, Sarah. I'm not.
Okay, Sarah, if you do, I'm going to get something to read to them.